Now children, today we are going to start with chapter 11, that is communication. So, as you all know, when we express our ideas and thoughts with different people, what it is known as communication. So, we have two types of communication, personal means of communication, when we have to communicate with individual person. And we have mass communication when we have to communicate with large number of people or group of people. It is known as mass communication. So, let's study about the need of communication. Communication means sending and receiving message, written or spoken, right? We need to communicate with our friends and relatives living in other places. Communication is very important for us. So, communication, it is very important for us. We learn about new events and developments throughout it. We exchange our ideas, thoughts and feelings with each other through different means of communication. Earlier, if we talk about what men used signs and symbols to communicate or for sending and receiving message. Like if you want to beat, like beating drums, sending smoke signals or reflecting sight. Nowadays, many modern and fast means of communication are used. Basically, we have two types of communication, personal and mass means communication. So, what is personal or individual means of communication? When you have to communicate with the individual people, right? It is known as your personal means of communication. Now, first is letter, which is the most popular and the cheapest means of communication, right? If you want to send a letter to your friends or relatives, what it is, you are communicating with them. Nowadays, post office renders the job efficiently. We buy inland envelopes, letter and postcard from the post office. We all need stamps to post these letter, and we write letter and post them in letter box, and a mailman collect all the letters and take them to the post office. So, letters are then stamped and kept in different postal bags over here, and these bags are carried by mail vans, buses, trains and even aeroplanes. So, if you all know, urgent letters can be now sent through speed post or courier service, and if we want to send an urgent message to reach someone very quickly, what we said earlier, then the telegram went by telegram. Telegram was designed to reach its destination in few hours, only 14. On 14 July 2013, government shut down its telegram service after 163 years of service. Then we have telephone, which is fastest means to connect the people. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. We can talk to any person by dialing the number into the telephone. Right? We have fax machine. It is used to send photographs and written message within the seconds to any part of the world. We use telex and pager as a fastest means of communication. Now, what is mass communication? When you have to communicate with a group of people, it is known as mass communication. Like newspaper, it gives information on every topic like sports, politics, business and films. It is cheap and easy to carry anywhere. Magazines, what they have? Beautiful pictures along with written information on a particular topic. We can get them in different languages also. Now, radio, television and cinema. If we talk about, however, all people cannot read the newspaper, radio is the medium through which we can listen news, music and other programs. Television is another such medium. In it, you can listen to the sound as well as watch the programs. In fact, if we talk about TV is one of the most popular medium of entertainment. We can watch different events over here on television like cricket match, as well as even taking place anywhere in the world. This made possible through satellites, which have made communication faster. It is also used for collecting information, right? The first to present projective picture were the Lumiere brothers on December 1395 of France. Next is cinema. If we talk about cinema, another powerful means of communication, both audiovisual communication is held, and cinema has infinite reach and can influence behavioral institutions, use this medium to bring about changes in social practice. Then we have internet and email. So, invention of computers and internet has brought great changes through the world. So, we can send a message, pictures, sounds and animation to anybody throughout the world, right? Computer is also used in business, banks, hospital, education and many other fields. Now, all these latest means of communication has brought world closer, right? So, e-readers and gadgets on which we read books, and one can download books from the internet. So, these books can be read on e-reader, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.